I have never been diagnosed specifically, but in retrospect, I do recognize that there was something going on. And I think that those around me did not take advantage of the opportunity to help me. 20 years ago, my oldest son, and I had him first time mom. You know, you go through all of this new space, right? I've got this baby, and what do I do? And how do I do? And my behavior became very, very different. And those around me, they just would say, oh, it's just the baby blues. Now that I think in retrospect, it was actually postpartum anxiety that then evolved into postpartum depression. So I didn't even know that's what was going on with me. I was 19 years old. I have this new life I'm responsible for. But my behavior was very different. I was, for the lack of a better explanation, I was almost weird. And when I say weird, meaning I was outside of my normal character. And it was far beyond me just being this anxious new mom, this new adventure that was very scary. My behavior and my thought processes, how I was analyzing, how I was processing, how I was responding, was very, very, very different. They don't prepare you for that. You know, they talk about some of the things that can happen. And even as you're preparing to have a child, sometimes they'll talk about like postpartum depression, but they always talk about the extremes. There's variances in it. And because I have an aunt that is a mental health professional, if I would not have had her to kind of say, hey, something's going on here, and to kind of swoop in and support me and insulate me in that space, I don't know what the outcome could have been. Not saying that it would have been self-harm or anything like that. But again, I don't know, because she was able to help. But now that I think in retrospect, it most definitely, even though not diagnosed, I definitely know that's what was going on with me.